Ever found yourself dreaming of seamless overseas transactions, waving goodbye to hefty exchange rates, and hello to a vibrant purple card? If YouTrip has been dancing in your thoughts, you're probably itching to know, just how long does it take for that magical card to land in your Singapore mailbox? Well, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the timeline of getting your hands on a YouTrip card in Singapore. Forget the suspenseful waiting game, let's break down the process and give you a realistic idea of when you can start swiping with ease on your next adventure. First things first, the application. The beauty of YouTrip lies in its digital convenience. The entire process kicks off online, typically through the YouTrip mobile app. Once you've downloaded the app, available on both iOS and Android, you'll embark on a straightforward registration journey. This usually involves providing your personal details, verifying your identity, often through SingPass or uploading identification documents, and linking a funding source. This initial application phase is usually swift, often taking just a few minutes to complete, provided all your information is readily available and accurate. Think of it as the starting gun in our YouTrip delivery race. Once your application is submitted and successfully verified, and this verification step is crucial to ensure the security of your account, YouTrip will get your physical card ready for its journey to you. This is where the waiting game officially begins, but don't worry, it's generally not a marathon. The standard delivery timeframe for a YouTrip card in Singapore typically falls within 3 to 7 working days from the approval of your application. Notice the emphasis on working days. Weekends and public holidays don't count in this calculation. So, if your application gets approved on a Friday evening, the clock starts ticking on the following Monday. Several factors can influence this delivery window. Peak periods, such as major holiday seasons or promotional campaigns, might lead to a slight increase in processing and delivery times due to higher demand. Similarly, unforeseen logistical hiccups, though rare, can occasionally cause minor delays. To keep you in the loop, YouTrip usually provides updates on the status of your card delivery through the app. You'll likely receive notifications confirming your application approval and when your card has been dispatched. Keep an eye on these notifications for the most up-to-date information. Now, what can you do in the meantime? While you're eagerly awaiting your physical card, remember that YouTrip also offers a virtual card within the app. This virtual card becomes active almost immediately upon approval. You can use it for online transactions, booking flights, accommodations, or even doing some pre-trip shopping, adding immediate value even before the physical card arrives. Think of it as a sneak peek of the financial freedom YouTrip offers. Once your physical card arrives, it's usually accompanied by simple activation instructions. This typically involves logging into your YouTrip app and following a few easy steps to link the physical card to your account. Once activated, you're all set to start enjoying the benefits of multi-currency spending wherever you go. So, to recap, while the initial application is lightning fast, the physical YouTrip card in Singapore generally takes around 3 to 7 working days to arrive after your application is approved. Keep an eye on your YouTrip app for status updates, and don't forget you can start using your virtual card right away for online transactions. Patience is a virtue, but with YouTrip, the wait is usually a short one before you unlock a world of convenient and cost-effective international spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.